James Webb, 1906 to 1992, was a prominent American civil servant and the second administrator of NASA, serving from 1961 to 1968. Although he was not an astronomer himself, he played a key role in shaping the course of space exploration during the Cold War era. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is named after him as a tribute to his contributions to the field of space exploration. NASA's $10 billion James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, launched on December 25, 2021, from Europe's spaceport in French Guiana. Since it arrived at its new cosmic home, Lagrange Point 2, on January 24, 2022, the Infrared Observatory has been busy sharing some truly breathtaking views of the cosmos. JWST, the largest and most powerful space telescope to date, released its first scientific images on July 12, 2022. When JWST turned its attention to the iconic pillars of creation, the observatory showed the famous dust clouds in remarkable detail. Located in the constellation Serpens, approximately 7,000 light-years from Earth, the pillars of creation are part of the Eagle Nebula. The vast clouds of gas and dust were famously photographed by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1995, bringing their remarkable beauty to light. The new photograph obtained by JWST reveals the pillars in even more detail and clarity. Hundreds of previously invisible stars shine throughout the image, some born only a few 100,000 years ago. JWST has captured mysterious concentric rings surrounding a distant star. The star at the center of the image is known as WR140, a Wolf-Rayet star that has ejected most of its hydrogen into space and is surrounded by dust. The six-pointed blue structure is an artifact due to optical diffraction from the bright star WR140. In this image, which was released on November 16, 2022, a fiery cosmic hourglass conceals a fledgling star, or protostar, at its heart. The blazing scene had been hidden from telescopes by a dense, dark cloud of gas and dust known as L1527 and is only visible in infrared light. The near-infrared camera, NIRCam, aboard JWST revealed the formation within the Taurus star-forming region in all its glory. Pandora's cluster, located around 3.5 billion light-years away, shines in unprecedented detail in this image captured by the JWST's powerful near-infrared camera, NIRCam, and the near-infrared spectrograph, NIRSpec, instruments as part of the ultra-deep NIRSpec and NIRCam observations before the epoch of reionization program. This created one panoramic image featuring a stunning 50,000 sources of infrared light. JWST's first image of Neptune shows the ice giant and rings. The image gave astronomers the best look at Neptune in 32 years, since NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft flew past during its journey out of the solar system. The bright patches in Neptune's southern hemisphere are high-altitude ice clouds reflecting sunlight before the methane in the clouds absorbs it. On September 26, 2022, NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART, smashed a probe into an asteroid moonlet called Dimorphos to shift the space rock's orbit. Dimorphos is part of a binary system that includes the larger space rock Didymos. JWST watched the action unfold and captured a series of images showing how the Didymos-Dimorphos asteroid system brightened after the DART spacecraft hit the harmless moonlet. In this captivating image, never-before-seen young stars in the Tarantula Nebula, formerly named 30 Doradus, are revealed for the first time. JWST's high-resolution infrared camera shows the stellar nursery in exquisite detail, as well as distant background galaxies. The Tarantula Nebula is located approximately 161,000 light-years away in the Large Magellanic Cloud. It is of interest to astronomers studying star formation because the nebula has a similar chemical composition to star-forming regions from when the cosmos was just a few billion years old. This JWST image of the Phantom Galaxy, formerly known as NGC 628 or Messier 74, is dubbed the perfect spiral by some astronomers because the galaxy is so symmetrical. This JWST image shows the galaxy in a whole new light. When JWST set its sights on a target a little closer to home, astronomers were delighted with the results. This image of Jupiter. Here you can see beautiful auroras surrounding the poles and faint rings circling the gas giant. Two of Jupiter's moons are also visible. Amalthea is the bright dot on the far left, while Adrastea is the faint dot at the edge of the rings, between Amalthea and Jupiter. This star-studded image of a lonely dwarf galaxy named Wolf-Lundmark-Melotte, WLM. WLM, one of the most remote members of the local galaxy group, which also contains our Milky Way. Due to its isolated nature, WLM is unlikely to have interacted with other systems, making it a prime target for astronomers wanting to study and test theories of galaxy formation and evolution. JWST has captured Titan, the largest moon of Saturn. The observatory managed to capture Titan's thick methane clouds. One of the clouds, Cloud A, is located above Kraken Mare, the largest of Titan's hydrocarbon seas. Overall, James Webb played a key role in shaping the course of space exploration during the Cold War era. His advocacy for space exploration and his leadership at NASA helped to make possible some of the most significant discoveries in the history of space science.